So in this video we are going to convert this wired earphone into a wireless earphone by using this 1.8 BD Bluetooth module. So let's come on its pinouts. So the first pin of the Bluetooth module is the ground, which will connect to the negative of the battery, and the second pin is VCC, which will connect to the positive of the battery, and the third pin is right audio output, which will connect to the right speaker, and the other pin of the speaker will connect to the ground. And the fourth pin of the Bluetooth module is the ground. You can skip this pin because it is already connected to the ground on the board. And the last fifth pin is the left audio output, which will connect to the left speaker, and the other pin of the speaker will connect to the ground. For powering my Bluetooth earphone, I am using this 3.7 volt 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. And I am also using this TP4056 charging module for charging my battery safely. So first of all, we have to make a body so that all the components can fit inside that. Therefore I am using these 4 rectangular cardboard pieces and also 2 long rectangular cardboard sheets. And I am also using these 2 thin plastic sheets for making the neck band so that the earphone can hang on your neck. Make another one like this. We have to cut out this rectangular piece for this micro USB 2.0 socket so that we can plug in the charging cable. Make small hole on both of them so that we can insert the speaker's wire. Make 2 small holes on this rectangular cardboard so that we can attach switch and an LED. We have to disconnect this speaker's wire from this case. So open it up and disconnect the speaker's wire. Connect the ground of the Bluetooth module to the negative of the charging module. Connect one pin of the switch to the VCC of the Bluetooth module and the other pin to the positive of the charging module. Now insert the right speaker's wire. Connect one wire of the right speaker to the R out of the Bluetooth module. And connect the other wire to the ground of the Bluetooth module. Insert the left speaker's wire and the battery too. Connect the positive of the battery to the red wire. And the negative of the battery to the black wire. Connect one wire of the left speaker to the negative of the battery. And connect the other wire of the speaker to the white wire. Connect the red wire to the positive of the charging module and the black wire to the negative of the charging module. And connect the white wire to the L out of the Bluetooth module. Connect a 100 ohms resistor to the positive of an LED. Connect the negative of the LED to the ground of the Bluetooth module and the positive to the VCC of the Bluetooth module. Now all the connections have completed. Let's pack up all the components. As you can see, when I plugged in the charging cable, the LED becomes red. If the battery will fully charged, the LED turns out blue. Turn on the switch. And open your Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. And connect to 1.8 BT. Now the earphone have connected to my smartphone.
It has just come. We must never stop this.